Hey, having pierogies and sausages for dinner tonight. First step, taking the skin off the sausage. Get all this nasty skin off, it tastes better. Keep the sausages a little bit frozen, just thaw them out just enough so the skin is loose. Cut the sausages into whatever size you like. I like them kind of thin. They cook quicker and they're just tasty. Get the water on for the pierogies. I like to use some extra spices, just makes it taste even better. Add some salt and pepper, of course. For pierogies, you've got to have an onion. And time to get the sausage going. So on the spices, I added ground pepper, salt, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, and basil. Give it a couple good stirs. When I get all that sausage nice and cooked evenly, put a lid on it and let it do its thing. Water's boiling, time for the pierogies. So I got two different kinds here. I'm just going to mix and match. Got spinach and feta and onion pierogies. Pierogies are in the water. We'll give them a quick stir so they don't stick to the bottom. Let them do their thing. Alright, so the sausage is about 90% done. Time to add the onions. Gonna let those cook till the onions turn that opalescent color. You know what I mean. So while everything is cooking, I just want to show you guys this little knife sharpener that I use. But this knife sharpener is probably one of my favorites. It has a little suction cup thing on the bottom. You just pull that down and it's nice and sturdy. Take your knife and just run it through. And this little sharpener gets this knife where it'll cut through anything. It's great. I'm going to put a link down at the end of this and in the description for this little sharpener. Pierogies are starting to float, so that means they are very close to being done. It's now time to drain the pierogies. So once the sausage is done, put it in another container, because now I'm going to fry the pierogies in all that nice sausage grease. And this is optional. You can add some seasoning to the pierogies. I'm adding some garlic salt and I'm going to do some pepper just to give it a little bit of flavor. I'm doing these in two batches. The first batch is done. Now I'm doing the second batch. In this one, I added some butter. Alright, I just flipped them over and you can see how this side has just a little bit of crispiness to it. It just firms up that pierogi dough. You don't have to do this step. It just adds a little bit more flavor to the product. Pierogies are now done. So the secret sauce to pierogies, sour cream. This is delicious. I hope you've enjoyed it.